Let me share my screen. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 17 of our trading challenge. Yeah, this is day 17. And this morning session, I'll be doing hosting it. My name is Shadrach, and I'm the assistant lead analyst of Good Ideas. Well, I'm also known as the billionaire trader. So that's that with the introduction. Let's get right into it. So this is GBP Um, Throughout yesterday, it was just consolidating. It was consolidating. It was consolidating. Though I picked some sales around this area. I picked some sales around this area. Though I didn't mark it. I picked some sales around this area. Picked some sales around this area. Even within the consolidation, I picked this sell. I picked it. And it went well, as you can see. It went well. So I was still expecting it for it to still like break down to the downside, even though it doesn't go too far. Even though it doesn't go too far, I was expecting it to get to this area. I was still expecting it to get to this area before we start saying, okay, probably we should pick a little bit of buy from that area. Should start seeing some buys. I was still expecting it to get to that area first, but it has been consolidating. So probably by the end of today, it's probably get there. It's probably get there in the market. Probably something like this. Probably we can show like this. Now, don't let us forget. Yesterday I said there is still a POI down here. Yes, don't be mistaken. Markets can still do something like this. Can still come like this. And then do something like this. Then go down to that POI. Something like this. It's still possible. Nobody is wrong in the markets. Nobody is wrong. You are not wrong until the market plays out. Then you know if you are wrong or right. You get that. So this is this for GPJPY. If it doesn't respect this area, if it doesn't respect this area, or it respects it a little bit, there's a possibility it comes like this, it breaks below, and then comes below here to respect that area. But who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen at any time. So let's get to the next pair. GBP USD. Yes. I've been on this buy since yesterday. Yes, I've been on this buys. Like I called it in the signal room. We're still on it. Honestly, it's looking like it's going to be a swing trade, but let's just wait. Let's just wait. Though I'm starting to pick some kind of sells, like market is starting to show some little bit of sell POI, probably somewhere around here. Now, if price comes down up to this area, if price comes to this area and respects it, then we should say it's probably kick my SL. Yes, it can happen. It can happen. The only thing you can do for yourself is just apply risk management to your trades. And if it can just break above this high, then we should see some good buys. Should see some good buys if it can break above this area. This area here is standing as a form of resistance. Do you get? So the moment markets can break above this area, then you can see markets pushing up price. Because on the higher time frame, on the external structure, I'm still expecting more buys to at least this area that I even got my TP to. So at least this area, yeah, I'm still expecting the buy should get to this area. I'm still expecting to get to this area before we start seeing some sales. Do you get that? I'm still expecting to get to that area. Meanwhile, markets can be funny and then kick out my SL. Another scenario, after I kicks out my SL like this, then come down to this area here and then buy. That's also a POI. But who knows? You just have to apply risk management to your trades. We don't predict, we just react to our system. We have a system you use. If you have a system you use, what you just have to do is follow your system through and through. Follow your system through and through. Okay, that's for GBP USD. US 30. Okay. You can see, like I marked yesterday, it's still respecting this POI here. This POI that we marked, it's still respecting it. Until market breaks below, then we say it's no longer respecting it. Even though I'm still expecting sales on US 30. But as long as it has not break below this place, then we should keep seeing buys, all the way to the upside. Just keep seeing buys. So that's for US 30. XAU USD. Yes, we saw some reaction of that POI yesterday. Of that POI, it gave up to 94 pips or 95 pips yesterday before going back to SL. And what did it do? It's got to this area here. They respected it twice. Like I mean, after breaking above this area, someone would have expected it to keep buying more and more. But as I am not an aggressive trader, I'm not actually that aggressive. As it broke, you can see how it gave it a wick, just wicked it up. If you switch this to body now, you will see that yes, that POI was properly respected. It was properly respected. If you're not careful, you are aggressive, you probably will have started buying it as it broke above this high, because this is the previous all-time high. This is the all-time high. As it broke above this, you will have started buying it. What the market do is that it's going down and down and down and down. So for gold, like I said, it's still on an uptrend. So we should be expecting price if it breaks above this high. If it breaks above this high, you should expect it to come like this and then create another all-time high if it breaks below like that. But if it doesn't, you just have to keep looking at watching it go to the downside or market showing a form of POI for us to sell from. And as it is even coming down, I think I just found another POI. This is another POI here. For market to respect. This is another POI here. For market to come to and then buy from there. Do you get that? The supermarkets come to that area and then buy from there. If it doesn't, fine. So that's for XAU USD. That's for XAU USD. Something like this. Once market gets to that area. Something like that. Something like that. Other than that, let's see. Which other pair have we not analyzed? US oil. Yes. Well, I've been watching US oil. Like I said, I was expecting it to break below this area, but it hasn't. It hasn't. All it did was wick it. And I knew that as it's only wicked it, we should be seeing some kind of buys. We're seeing some kind of buys. And that was what happened. That was what happened. So if we are to scale into the buy, I'm expecting market to come all the way down to this area, at least. Come all the way down to that area and then buy from there. Something like that. Yes. US oil. Yes, that's for US oil. US oil. All right. If you want to know why that area, it's very simple. I remember for our mentorship class, and you'll know the reason why it is reacting from there. Very simple. So that's pretty much it. Um, like I will always say, always apply risk management. Without risk management, you really won't know what you are doing. You understand? You have to apply proper risk management or trading psychology. You have to keep working on it. And the best way to know how to trade or to master your trading psychology is to trade. Very simple. The best way to know how to swim is to swim. You can't keep reading textbook on how to swim, and you should think you know how to swim already. Nah, it's not possible. It doesn't work that way. Until you get into that water and start swimming, that's when you know how to swim. You get that? Very simple. So, like I said, for XAUUSD, should see some sales down to this area and then buy. If it start reacting from this place to start buying, then we should see it break structure to the upside, come back to retest it, and then buy. Yes, that's for XAUUSD. US oil, as I just said, we should expect price react from that area. JPY, just see some sales down to this area and then probably buy. If it doesn't respect this area, then it should sell and then come back to the test. GPUSD, I'm still on the buy. I'm still on the buys. If price reacts from this area here, then it's a sell. Start respecting this area. Then it's just keep selling to the downside. US 30, US 30. For now, I'll keep watching it until I see kind of POI. Right now, I'm not seeing anything, but it is still respecting the POI that we marked yesterday. So that's for today's session. That's for today's session. So that's all. That's pretty much it. So thank you for joining day 17 of our challenge, and I'll see you next time. See you next time. I'll be tomorrow. Thank you for stop sharing my screen. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Stay safe, guys, and do have a good day.